Fellow Sapiens, welcome to my new series, Cash or Cap, where we sift through a stock's available information to form an informed opinion. Strap on, today we will be discussing ATWEC Technologies. ATWEC develops a line of high-tech childcare safety products that they sell to schools and daycare centers across North America. The company is taking a stab at the $250 billion global childcare safety industry. I think you will agree that on the surface, ATWEC is promoting the welfare of children. Their patented line of Kiddie System products includes the Kiddie Voice alarm system, a device that helps prevent children from being forgotten in school vehicles. Each time the vehicle is turned off, a warning signals the driver to check the vehicle for passengers. Now, we need to be aware that the business model is highly dependent on state laws. Legislations have been passed in some U.S. states such as California, Texas, and Florida, which require daycare vehicles to be equipped with alarm and warning systems and the likes of the Kiddie System products. This is why ATWEC is working hard to help pass legislation that will promote childcare safety. They are also taking steps to expand their product portfolio. In December 2020, ATWEC completed the $2 million acquisition of SafeBus, a company that manufactures products that enable parents to access real-time monitoring of vehicles carrying their children. This acquisition nicely complements their existing Kiddie products. The KV4 uses RFID and a cloud-based system to track children on school vehicles. Apart from that, they launched their KVX, a product that uses UV rays to sanitize school vehicles. This addition will definitely ride the COVID-19 tailwind, especially when students will be going back to school. All their marketing efforts paid off in February 2021, when they announced a contract of over $22 million for their products. Now, enough of the rosy picture. Let's look at some red flags. I went through their financials and found something investors should be aware of. There are quite a few convertible notes outstanding that can be converted either at 50% of the current bid price or 70% of the lowest bid over the prior 5 days. Now that's quite a steep discount that will likely hurt existing shareholders. Vince Zabara from ATWEC Capital seems to hold most of these notes. Looking at his LinkedIn profile, we can see that ATWEC is focused on streamlining operations and debt reduction strategies. Well, this message could be interpreted as ATWEC Capital is an opportunistic toxic lender. ATWEC lent to UBID Holdings and it seems they had to issue discounted shares to repay ATWEC. Same situation with RJD Green. Further digging shows that ATWEC is a major shareholder of Altair International, a company that invests in the metals and mining and green energy sectors. I've taken a brief look at Altair. It seems they closed on a lithium battery technology acquisition. Not sure what his play is there. ATWEC's business model makes sense intuitively. They seem to be building the business and investing into marketing to get their products adopted by schools. But new investors should be mindful of these potentially dilutive securities. Now, with all that in mind, I would like to remind you that this is my personal opinion. It should not be construed as financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence before undertaking any investments. With that said, do you believe in ATWEC's value proposition? Will you be buying their shares? And if not, why?